Now continuing the topic inverse interpolation, today we will discuss the method of reversion of series. Actually, this method is based on the assumption that the given observation can be expressed in the form of the following power series. Let power series, as we usually give, y is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus a4x4 and so on. And let w is equal to y minus a0 upon a1. And assume that the given power series is convergent so that x can be expanded in the as the power series in w. X is equal to c1 w plus c2 w square plus c3 w cube plus c4 w4 and so on. Now substituting this expression for x and a1w for y minus a0 and equating the coefficient of like power of w and comparing, we will get c1 is equal to 1, c2 is equal to minus a2 upon a1, c3 is equal to a3 upon a1 minus a3 upon a1 plus 2 into a2 upon a1 का whole square, c4 is equal to a4 upon a1 plus 5 a2 a3 upon a1 square minus 4 a2 upon a1 की power 3. Now Gregory-Newton's formula with fourth differences regarded as constant is y is equal to y0 plus x delta y0 plus x into x minus 1 upon factorial 2 delta square y0 plus x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 upon factorial 3 delta cube y0 plus x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 upon factorial 4 delta 4 y0. Now equating the coefficient of the like power of x, we get a0 is equal to y0, a1 is equal to delta y0 minus delta square y0 upon 2 plus delta cube y0 upon 3 plus delta 4 y0 upon 4. A2 is equal to delta 2 y0 upon 2 delta 3 minus delta 3 y0 upon 2 plus 11 delta 4 y0 upon 24. A3 will be delta cube y0 upon 6 del 4 y0 upon 4 and A4 will be del 4 y0 upon 24. So similarly, we can obtain the value of A's for the Stirling and Bessel's formula. For example, suppose Stirling formula, if we derive by our method, we can say that A0 is equal to Y0, A1 is equal to 1 upon 2 delta Y0 plus delta Y minus 1 minus 1 upon 12 delta 2 Y1 minus delta 2 Y minus 2. A2 will be half delta 2 y minus 1 minus 1 upon 24 delta 4 y minus 2 and A3 is equal to 1 upon 12 del cube y minus 1 plus del cube y minus 2 and A4 will be 1 upon 24 del 4 y minus 2. And similar is, we can derive Bessel formula also, coefficient by the above method. A0, we will get A0 is equal to 1 upon 2 y0 plus y1 minus 1 upon 16 del cube y minus 1 plus del 2 y0 plus 3 upon 256 del 4 y minus 2 plus del 4 delta 4 y minus 1. A1 will be delta y0 minus 1 upon 24 del square y minus 1. A2 will be 1 upon 4 del square y minus 1 plus del square y0 minus 5 upon 96 del 4 y minus 2 plus del 4 y minus 1 and A3 will be 1 upon 6 del cube y minus 1 and A4 will be 1 upon 48 del 4 y minus 2 plus del 4 y minus 1. Now we will see one example. The example is the following table gives the value of y is equal to hyperbolic sin x for certain equidistance values of x. So if y is equal to 62, find x. Now table is given as x, value of x and value of y. Y means hyperbolic sin x. So when x is 4.80, y will be 60, y given as 60.7511. Similarly at 4.81, y will be 60, y is given as 61.3617. 4.82 corresponding value of y is 61.9785. 4.83 corresponding value of y is 62.6015, and 4.84 corresponding value of y will be, which is 63.2307. So now if you draw a descent table putting the values of x and y, so u will be, when x is 4.80, u will be -2, 4.8 at 4.81 -1, 4.82 0, 4.83 1, or 4.84 2. And hyperbolic sin x, that is y, values are given above table. So if we calculate delta y, we get 0.6106, 0.6168, 0.6230 and 0.6292. So del 2y will be 0.0062, 0.0062, 0.0062, and del 3y will be 0. So by Stirling formula, y is equal to y0 plus u delta y0 plus delta y minus 1 upon 2 plus u square delta 2 y minus 1, and so on. We have been given y is equal to 62. So we can say that 62 is equal to 61.9785 plus u 0.6230 plus 0.6168 upon 2 plus u square upon 2 into 0.0062. So on solving this equation, we get u is equal to 0.0347. Therefore required value of x will be x0 plus hu, and this will be equal to 4.82 plus 0.01 into 0.037. This will be equal to 4.8203. And that finishes our inverse interpolation formula. That's it.